Should always carry a fire extinguisher just in case the unimaginable happens. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of Space Junk Garage. Just want to tell y'all guys and girls something. When you're driving down the road and you're smoking your cigarette and you flick it out the window, you should be aware of the consequences of what might happen when that cigarette hits somebody else's vehicle. As of very in-depth experience, poor old girl here, coming home from work one day, somebody passed by me in their car. I know they didn't mean to. They flicked the cigarette out the window. And it was like mid-July. I had my windows down. And lo and behold, that cigarette came right in here, went right down behind the seat. And by the time I realized the old girl was flaming, it was too late to save her. So, had to sit on the side of the road and watch my favorite truck burn up. Now, I do got a question for y'all guys out there. Would y'all like to see me save this girl, bring her back? Because I got plans for her. Everybody might say, well, that thing done. Person I bought this truck from bought her brand spanking new. I was the second owner of it. And for all y'all hot rod guys out there that's got flames painted on the side of y'all's cars and trucks and things, I'm going to clear coat this bad girl and show you what real flames look like. I'm not going to paint her or nothing. I'm just going to clear coat right over it and show you what real flames look like and what it's all about. Now, wish I could find somebody that did a rap. Anybody out there got their peepers on this vid? I would like to have a rap of this very image so I could put it on the hood. So when I put the new heart in this bad girl, people will see it, what it once was and what she's going to be. Oh, I got parts ready for her. Don't think I don't. Got parts already. Bring the Phoenix back to life. That's going to be the old girl's name. She used to be called the Little Blue Dragon, but you know, things are reborn, come up out of the flames. It's a Phoenix now. She's going to be the Phoenix. And I want it to look just like this. You know, we'll put new glass in her. We'll do interior. This way, heck, look, I got a nice blank canvas to start with. And put everything in there that I'd like to have, that I need to have, and stuff that I don't need, we won't have. You know how that goes. So, really would help a lot if y'all guys and girls out there would follow this project, like and subscribe. Please subscribe. It'll help me get this bad girl back up again. And comment. Do you think old girl can come back to life? Or do you not? Let's see what all y'all think. See who's got the positive attitude and who's got the negative post on the battery. You know, let's see what everybody thinks about it. You know, she's not going to the crusher. I can tell you that. Yeah, she's going to be crushing something, all right. Going to be other guys on the side pull up beside me and they start laughing. And they ain't going to know what kind of heart this old girl going to have in her. So, if y'all think that she can be revived and brought back to life, come back from the ashes again, please comment. Leave me some comments down there. And subscribe, like, and share this. It might be just a little bit. You have to follow along with the progress on the Phoenix. Let me know what you're thinking on how she's going. Alright, guys and girls. This is Space Junk Garage. And I will talk to y'all later. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.